Hey guys, it's been a while. We were in lockdown in Melbourne for nearly 4 months, which was pretty rough, but we got there in the end. And during that period, I had a lot of time to comb through the archives, edit photos, and also videos, 4K videos actually. And that's when I realized that the current laptop that I'm using, the Dell XPS 9560, really struggled to chop through that 4K footage. So I thought, I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Why don't I build a PC? And that's what you see here. This build and all the parts within it were primarily designed for 4K video editing and a little bit of gaming on the side. The star of the build is the graphics card here. This is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. Released just under a month ago, I think. It's been pretty much sold out worldwide ever since. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, what have we got in here? Not too sure what this thing is. Find out later, I guess. There it is, let's take it out. This thing looks huge. It's about the same size as my entire laptop. Right, so we've got a 3-fan design for additional cooling. A backplate with a bit of a design on there as well. This is a reference model based off the Founders Edition, I think. So there's a single 8-pin connector to the PSU as well. There is an additional single clip fan that goes on the back here, which is supposed to dissipate additional heat. And you've got your usual brackets and screws here. Cool, looks good. Can't wait to put this in my PC. Right, so there are 4 pegs or clips on the fan on the inside here, and they go into these holes. Alright, there we go. And that's in. Let's pop the RAM in. That just clears it. It should click in. Yep. Alright, so it does fit with the RAM in, but I think it's very dependent on the RAM type you have. Should click it. Oh, perfect. Cool. Alright, so after a couple hours, everything's plugged in. It's a little bit messy, but I'll do cable management later. There's only one thing left to do. You ready? Nice.